How effective is LinkedIn marketing? That's a question on a lot of people's minds, so let's get into that right now. LinkedIn, from a marketing perspective, is a great platform for you to be on because people are on that platform in a business-minded way. They are there to think about business, to talk to other people about business, and to understand how you can help them and their business. So it would be wise for you to include LinkedIn in your marketing strategy. Hey everybody, it's Chris Prouty, and for the last 23 years, I've helped thousands of entrepreneurs wildly grow their businesses. These are people who love what they do, and they want to get paid having an impact on the clients that they serve. So I help them do that, but not in a way like you might think. I do want to share with you 3 big ideas about how effective it can be to market on LinkedIn. The first is that LinkedIn has a very robust advertising platform. A lot of people are hesitant to market on LinkedIn because it can be a little bit more expensive than some of the other platforms. But a lot of my clients, especially my most successful clients, are getting high quality leads on the platform for about $5 or $6 per lead. I think that's a really good rate for getting a high quality lead, especially when you can convert those leads into clients. The second thing that I really like about LinkedIn from a marketing perspective is the ability to fine tune your marketing, especially if you're doing account-based marketing where you're targeting very specific companies or individuals. LinkedIn gives you the ability to really zoom in on who those people are. The third thing that I like about marketing on LinkedIn is the wealth of information you can get about your target audience. No other platform allows you to zoom in with such detail on the people that you are marketing to. So that gives you a lot more information that you can feed back into your marketing strategy. Speaking of marketing strategies, I do have a tip for you today on your marketing strategy. I'll share that with you in just a moment. If you'd like this content and you would like to learn a little bit more about marketing on LinkedIn, I've created a special class for you. You can just go to this URL right here, linkedin.proutyclass.com. That's going to take you to a free class that I deliver on getting more clients from LinkedIn. It's about an hour-long class and you're going to get a ton out of it. I really think you're going to like it. So just go to linkedin.proutyclass.com. You can come on, hang out with the other successful people that have worked with me. They tend to show up on this class every single time. So I want to give you a tip about your marketing strategy on LinkedIn. One of the most important things that I will tell you is that a marketing strategy on LinkedIn has to be something that constantly evolves. You must be collecting data at all times and feeding it back into your marketing strategy because it's going to change and it's going to evolve and it's going to grow up. And the more data you can get, the better. So one example of that would be if you're running LinkedIn ads, it's to look at the demographics, the psychographics of the people who are responding to your ads and responding to the paid content that you're putting out there and feed that back into your marketing plan. It's going to make your plans work better, faster. It's going to get you a lower cost per lead, and you can even apply that information into your organic marketing. So always be reworking your marketing strategy on LinkedIn. And while that might sound incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need. So I'm going to put another link for a video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you even further. And if you were to click on my face, that lets you subscribe to my channel and you can get alerts every time I create new content like this. Jump the line and get this content first.